Hello, my name is Anna. Today I am at home. I am sitting on the sofa. I am reading a book. It is a romance. This book is about love. The story is very sweet. I like romantic stories. Oh, my phone is ringing. I need to answer it. Hello? Hi, Emma. Yes, I am free. You want to go to a cafe? Yes, that sounds nice. I close my book. I take my bag. I am ready. Now I go to the bus stop. The weather is nice today. Excuse me, how can I go to the city center?
Go straight down this street and turn left at the lights.
Thank you very much.
You need bus number 5.
Does it stop near the cafe street?
Yes, it does.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello,
Hello, one ticket to the city center, please.
that is €2.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your ticket.
Thank you. Have a nice day. I am meeting my friend. I am happy today.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is free.
Thank you. You're welcome. Are you going to work?
No, I am meeting a friend at a cafe.
Nice. I like cafes. Do you go there often?
Not very often. I usually stay at home and read.
What kind of books do you read?
Romantic books. I like love stories.
That's nice. I like action movies.
Oh, I don't like action movies very much.
That's okay. Everyone is different. City Center.
That's my stop. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I am at the cafe. It looks very nice. Hello. Good afternoon. Can I help you? Yes, my friend Emma is here. She is waiting for me. What is your name? Anna. Yes, your friend is inside. Please follow me. Thank you. Emma, hi! Anna, it's so nice to see you. Yes, I am happy to see you too.
Good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like pasta and tea, please.
Of course.
And I would like a salad and a coffee.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you. So, what are you doing these days? I read a lot. I also like walking in the park. Do you watch movies? Yes, I do. I like romantic movies. What is your favorite movie? I like movies with happy endings. I like comedy movies. They make me laugh. That's nice. In my free time, I also listen to music. What music do you like? Pop music. Me too. This pasta is amazing, isn't it? It's incredible. The sauce is perfect. I'm so glad we came here. The food is very good. Yes, I like it. Okay, it was a nice day. Yes, thank you for meeting me. See you soon. Hi! Oh, that's wonderful news. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. Yes, let's celebrate soon. Hello, I need a taxi, please.
Okay, I am coming.
Today was a good day. Thank you for being with me. Goodbye, everyone. See you again soon. Bye.